It haven't sunk in as yet. I think because I knew I have a long season, I don't want to get too carried away, too excited, and the focus is still continuing the season for next year and the years to come. So pretty much after the season ends, I can say hurrah, hooray, and I watch back my videos and see what I've done. I can say, okay, yes, I did it. And being the fastest woman alive, I think I still haven't known what I've done yet. So pretty much it's just the work process, and because I've put in all the work and I achieved pretty much that. So basically it's not something that I've never expect myself to do, but my expectation was not high, but I think I've surprised myself this entire season, everything that I have done so far. I think the ladies have been doing superbly well this year. I think basically everybody goes on the track to compete and to do their best. And I think everybody's not really watching each other, but we're seeing what they're doing. So, I mean, we're going to put on a show as well. I mean, every time I step on the line, my job is to just inspire others and to compete and to do my best. And I think every time I compete, the best always comes out of me. So pretty much every time I'm excited to go on the track and just to run and deliver every time. To be honest, I would say the 200 because I ran 21.53, not getting enough recovery from running 2 rounds the previous day. So I would say the 200 more than the 100 because the 100 you have to nail that start. And my start is not that perfect yet, so I would say the 200.
End of the season?
I was thinking about it, but because I've done so much this entire season, so I had really one double at the Olympic. I'm just giving some other people chances to highlight themselves, so I'm sharing this time.
I like it.
Things that I had said, not knowing that I would achieve them, were based on from what happened previous before my trials. I had an injury before my trials, and it was a little ups and downs for me, not knowing where I was, if I would make the Olympic team. So when I went to the trials, I came third in both 100 and 200. So I said to myself, okay, I'm like a month away from the Olympics. I'm a reigning double Olympic champion. What do I need to do to retain my title? So after my first session in Italy, I took my phone and I go in my notes and I just start writing down stuff that I want to achieve. Each day after practice, I rewrite those aims, not knowing that it's going to happen. And pretty much I was nervous for those rounds at Olympics, and my first round I ran 10.82, which that was super fast for me in a first round. And my body was so different, I felt different. I was ready more than how I thought I would. And I just worked with the flow, I just worked with the energy and the vibe, and I got everything that I achieved for. Even though I didn't get a 10.5 at the Olympics, I got it after, but I'm excited at the same time.